Hey folks, Adam here with another elite demonstration, and when we're talking about elite demonstrations, we're talking about muscle milk. Let's see if we can get a thumbnail here. Thumbnail. And let's go ahead and talk about why I trust muscle milk beyond every brand on the planet. This is not a sponsored review, by the way. This is just me telling you that I love muscle milk, and I've been a big fan for years, and I love the Pro Series, and I love that you can get this size, which is the 40-ounce size, 2.5 pounds, 2.54 pounds, available on Amazon. And I'll tell you what, at first, legitimately the only reason I bought muscle milk on Amazon was because my local store ran out. So I ordered it on Amazon, and I realized they sent me a bigger container than what I got locally. And I realized it costs less to have Amazon ship it to my house pretty much next day with Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, A to Z guarantee, than going to the store and getting it myself. So I didn't have to drive to the store. I didn't have to worry about them not having it in stock. I got more at a lower price. Seems like a no-brainer, right? So muscle milk is fantastic. Now, why do I choose the Pro Series over the regular? Muscle milk is great. Now, first off, I chose muscle milk. Now, there's a lot of different brands out there. A lot say they're dairy-free or whatever they are, but they upset my stomach. And muscle milk doesn't have a ton of dairy in it. It doesn't have a lot of lactose in it. No matter who you are, you have some level of lactose intolerance. There's a reason we can't just drink a gallon of milk. It doesn't work like that. Your body isn't designed to ingest tons of dairy. But we've decided we like dairy and we eat it through our lives, but you can't take in a ton of it. And we're taking in protein. You're wasting a lot of calories. You're wasting a lot of the nutrition from it if you're taking in a dairy-based protein powder. Muscle milk has all the good with none of the lactose, and it's essentially what you would consider pretty much dairy-free. You're not gonna have to worry about it. It does have milk ingredients, but nothing you're gonna have to worry about. So, 2 scoops is 50 grams of protein. The Pro Series is loaded with way more nutrition than the regular. It's a couple bucks more, but you're getting more protein, more nutrients, more vitamins in your diet. Now, this one is absolutely amazing for me. It has just 13% of cholesterol. Some protein is loaded with cholesterol. You take 1-2 shakes a day, you're getting 200% of your cholesterol. That's not good. It's not good for your heart. This has a low amount of cholesterol, but frankly, you need some cholesterol to be able to do the things that guys are supposed to do, create testosterone and things like that. You need some you need some cholesterol in your blood. This is good cholesterol, you're fine with it. Total carbohydrates are it's super low. 1 dietary fiber, 3 grams of sugar, that's super low. I don't know, what is that soda, 20 or 40 grams of sugar? This stuff is great for you. It's got vitamin A, C, D, E, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, gives you that energy you need. Folate, B12. It's got B12. B12 is one of my favorite vitamins for giving you energy and losing weight and feeling better. This doesn't make you lose weight, but B12 is great for you. Biotin, which is great for your hair, nails. Again, vitamins are good for you. This isn't selling you on something. This is just telling you what the vitamins are. Calcium, iron, phosphorus, iodine, magnesium, zinc, copper, chromium. Sodium is very low, and it has potassium, which is great for your muscles and not cramping up and being able to digest better. So you're talking about tons of vitamins, low cholesterol, low sodium, high protein, and protein that you can digest. And we're talking about 50 grams of protein, only 3 grams of sugar per serving, and it tastes delicious. Now, here's my secret. What I do, I take it with a little bit of chocolate, almond milk, just a little bit, like less than a cup. I put 2 scoops in there, I mix it up till it's almost like a pudding, a delicious pudding. You mix it up, and I eat it like pudding. I can do that twice a day. Super low calorie, super good for protein and building muscles. And you know what? I like building muscles, okay? I'm a guy well into my 40s. I stay fit, I play basketball, I'm big into bench press, I do a lot of working out, I'm in the gym twice a day, and you know what? This is my building block here. These are my building blocks. It's NSF certified, so if you're a collegiate athlete or anything like that, you don't have to worry about it. And yeah, I stock up on muscle milk. I go through one every couple weeks. They're absolutely amazing. I'll order a couple on Amazon. I use them. I don't worry about it. And with the shipping on Amazon, it's absolutely amazing. So Go ahead and order today. It says 50 grams of protein per serving derived from milk to help rebuild muscles after exercise. Excellent source of 20 vitamins, vitamin D, calcium, and etc. for strong bones. This is great for energizing, maintaining muscle, helping build muscle. It's on the go use in between meals and post-workout recovery. This is 2 scoops of this is the equivalent of eating 6 jumbo eggs. 2 scoops of this is like eating 2 pieces of grilled chicken, or 6 cups of milk. But you're not getting all the calories, all you don't want. So go ahead and order today. This is absolutely amazing. You won't be disappointed. I'm a big Muscle Milk fan. That is my protein of choice, period, dot. I do videos on Amazon all the time. I talk about a lot of protein, a lot of workouts, a lot of fitness stuff, gym stuff, but this is the only one I personally recommend. This is not a sponsored video. Nobody is paying me to pick a brand, but I tell you what, Muscle Milk is my brand, and I back them. So thanks for watching, and adios amigos.